Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to pull data from another sheet in Smartsheet. This is incredibly useful when you want to automatically populate information across different sheets without manually copying and pasting everything. Let's dive right in. First, head over to smartsheet.com and log into your account. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll land on your homepage where all your files and sheets are displayed. From here, simply click on the file you want to work with. This will open up the sheet where you'll be setting up your data connection. Now, for this tutorial, I'm working with a sheet that has two columns, first name and last name. Here's what I want to achieve. Whenever I enter a first name, the last name should automatically pull the corresponding data from another sheet. This saves time and ensures accuracy across your workspace. To set this up, click on a cell in the last name column. This is where your formula will live. Now, type VLOOKUP to start building your formula. Smartsheet will guide you through the formula structure step by step. The first thing you need is the search value. Click on the cell in your first name column, the one that contains the name you want to look up. This tells Smartsheet what value to search for. After selecting that cell, type a comma to move to the next part of the formula. Next, you need to define the lookup table, which is the range of data in another sheet. Click on Reference Another Sheet. A browser window will pop up showing all your available files. Browse through and select the file where you want to pull the data from. Once you've opened that file, highlight both the first name and last name columns. This range is your lookup table. After highlighting, click Insert Reference. This creates a link between your current sheet and the other one. Now type another comma to continue with the formula. The next part is the column index number. In my example, the last name is in the second column of the range I selected, so I'll input 2. This tells Smartsheet to pull data from the second column of your reference range. Finally, there's the match type parameter. This is optional, but you can input 0 here. Using 0 ensures an exact match, which is what you typically want. After entering this, press Enter to complete the formula. Now comes the exciting part. Try entering a first name that exists in your other sheet. Once you do, the last name field should automatically populate with the correct information based on the data from the other sheet. It's like magic, but it's just Smartsheet doing the heavy lifting for you. Here's a bonus tip. You can drag your formula down to apply it to other rows. Just click on the small square at the bottom right corner of the cell and drag it down. This copies the formula to all the rows below, making your entire sheet dynamic and connected. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a VLOOKUP formula to pull data from another sheet in Smartsheet, creating a seamless connection between your documents. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.